Meet Dave. Dave has started a lawn mowing business and needs to learn how to record adjusting journal entries. He finds them difficult to understand. Today, we are going to help him learn. Accrual basis of accounting records revenues when they are earned and records expenses when they are incurred. Adjusting journal entries are made to record revenues that have been earned but not yet recorded and expenses that have been incurred but not yet recorded. There are 4 reasons why adjusting journal entries occur. Deferred revenue is earned, accrued revenue is earned, deferred expense is incurred, accrued expense is incurred. The scenarios below focus on recording deferred revenues and deferred expenses. Scenario 1, deferred revenue. Deferred revenue occurs when cash is received before the revenue is earned. For example, Dave's neighbour pays $240 cash on the 1st of May to mow his lawn for the months of May and June. Suppose that Dave prepares financial statements at the end of each month. Dave would record the following adjusting entry. 31st of May, debit, unearned service revenue, $120. Credit, service revenue, $120. On May the 31st, Dave has earned half or $120 of the service promised to his neighbour. Therefore, the revenue account service revenue is increased by the amount earned during the month of May, and the liability account unearned service revenue is decreased by the amount earned during the month of May. Scenario 2, deferred expense. Deferred expense occur when cash is paid before the expense is incurred. Suppose Dave purchases a vehicle on July 31st for his business. He pays $20,000 cash. Now it is August and Dave has used the vehicle for 1 month. Let's assume that the expense recognised is $300 for the month. Dave would record the following adjusting entry. 31st of August, debit depreciation expense, $300. Credit accumulated depreciation, $300. This adjusting entry increases the expense account depreciation expenses by the amount of the expense allocated to the current month. It also increases the contra asset account accumulated depreciation. This account accumulates depreciation expense to date and is subtracted from the equipment account to establish the net balance of the asset. Now Dave can apply his new skills to help him understand adjusting journal entries. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.